Nala jere nga aji nyinin kayla. No, don't say ani ko 2 days or 3 days by the la so.
Ina reach my so.
Ara ajile ya. Takata aji yale several times. Even before I know you, boy, ne metawol nyamadi. Nala no ajile ya ngetrawol do nyelong ko.
Iya, tele jaba. Ina fakana so ko ina fakanta mit ba.
No, seriously nara ajile ya. Jenen deke mit fo mo kana no aji ngam la ngete jewol nyam.
Mo.
Good. The call of void. Aji go 2 days, 3 days ita man na so kono boy. So what was the problem? Fani aji problem also ko?
No problem.
Tima bada 2 weeks, 2 days, 3 days boy, debo kana so kono boy. Tima.
Yala ta damage. Fantara yala you have to.
No, ni tata liya aji ba obviously aji ba flanya tata liya. But aji don't even know.
Problem. Even control kana ba fe be.
No, Tima, I'm not trying to control you. You understand?
No.
I'm just trying to be. You understand? I just trying to be someone who cares about you. I really care about you. You understand?
This is not caring.
No, I care about you. That's why I'm asking you where about. That's the only reason why I'm being in the
Yenta nyinin kale mo fe ajile nyinin ka.
No, nga aji be vibes kana fa na nyinin ka Tima, ara fa Tima 2 days 3 days nyama. So I don't know what's going on. So nga nyinin ka fa na problems ra ko no. Atan bla do yal. Tima, like
you
I told you.
Even tara nyinin ka kande, it's like you are controlling me. Even control kande. So please.
Tima.
Abeg.
Tima.
What?
The time ndala fa ngandale ngoko I'm in love with you, huh? You need to know that exactly anything right now I'm doing, it's for your own benefit. You understand? Nde ninga moment kanu. Ngamin kanu doko mali wala nkoto mai ngo mo okukilo kana mari. You understand? But it boalo so on 2 days 3 days man naje. Even your family don't know your whereabouts. Tima, what is a big thing though?
Family juma.
Aji malo, ni aji along obviously aba flanya ko Tima tata Tima but aji ko nye 2 days 3 days nyamaje.
Aji lo tala enta bayala suko bani ka finya. Dia ita mo kala ada to folete.
Aye ke nyadi? Aye bay so on.
Abu kulle boy, I don't want to talk about that.
No, let's talk about it.
Hey, I'm here to have fun, not to stress myself, okay? So kind of issue malafika kabaranja. Jamman kala discuss abeg. Just forget about that.
Tima, do you know that you guys are becoming a family to me? Aji is just like a family to me. Aji lend advice up to an extent that sign differently science and thing where I am right now. I'm proud of myself.
Even me practice ila self.
Mbe doko wala. Anu aji la advice wala doko sindela. Aji attend. Yeah, seriously. So aji, you guys are just like a family to me. Aji attend na come dunia ko ne be fongo fenkela kana juta la ke be kusot la ko no. Now I'm working. Yes. I'm managing my own business and me along go mole adin na me along go ndeba manage kan. It's a chaos. Chaos.
Wait. You got chaos.
Yes, so it feel funny for you?
I funny that fellow.
Funny that because I'm on a chaos. So what is coming? Ila level of higher cow, more level of higher cow. No, I'm just trying to. No, let's just come through.
Okay.
No, just give me the reason why it is funny for you. Okay, they're not funny about me being a cow.
At least
Okay, sorry about what is not funny though.
It's burning. Okay, let's not.
My cows there. Cows of Mialango is a standard cows, and I'm the one managing it. And what I'm earning, I can tell you that a civil servant who is earning that kind of money is only few in this country. Guy, customers are like every day. Every day, people are coming to wash their cars. Especially in some economy, every day, customers are
You're not fit to be my boyfriend. Oh.
Because I'm a cow.
You are not fit to be my man, bro.
Because I used to do cows.
Oh,
Tima, I'm proud of what I'm doing.
No way.
Let me just settle this thing once, okay? Me, if I'm to be with someone, you are to be with me because of who I am, not what I am. You understand? I don't love you because of you are beautiful. I don't love you because of you look good. Honestly, you look good. Understand? But that's not the reason me are not commenting it. You understand? So I'm offended about me and Kanu. But no, it's not a problem. I don't feel shy. Just Tima, I wish one day in a cow so they are doing all that.
Honey, be muna dokul. Honey, every day ka 10 customer less to me. I don't give a damn about it. Okay?
So because of the cows thing, all that
Boy, do your things.
Tima, do you know that you are funny?
I know. No problem.
You see, me can sign, I'm really proud of it.
No problem.
Because at least it's my sweat. Yeah.
They don't understand what I'm going through at this moment.
You understand. You have to tell me.
Okay. Fine. Because we are now not like monkey from party. We are now friends and family, as you always see. So that is the reason why I'm telling you. Me right now it's a lot. Siya bakal. Inte man model me allow come like you don't understand.
Come on, level is not up to your level. Like
no,
person cannot
it's not
sponsor
like
you.
that. No, it at this moment you it a fenkela non to fonto. Couldn't internet de tantele bina struggle. Fun inte the market, but it isn't the market no. So I extended that like left it among the yard because it na bungo jolanya at the first place. Not the moro it has because honey after in the bungo. You cannot do it for me, bro.
So did you ask me whether I can do it or not?
No, it's not like that because you can't understand. I need someone who will support me on it. Man la fi mola bi yena yedu. Sama ngana fe go be la fa nyina la tendin. Ena excuse don't make. Ya le fa ko okay, you want to go mba fenkele le tendin. Abi tilo wala nyala. Malafi anu malafi ni na date at sinin sama ngana ngeti nye moje ni yalan ko the person can do better ngana ngeti malafi wala
okay ya at first nyanda coming for ide nyanda kan dinyi kambi na whether I can pay your bills because I know even you be fukanda you are talking about bills whether I can take care of you you understand ile ko mo be tara na te bo jida mal fuka just because nkombe do ko la cows so you think that I'm only earning like $100 so I cannot even feed myself than to feed you you understand. I will not tell you exactly the kind of amount I'm receiving. Therefore, you understand. But then I'm coming right now. The moment I spend here, I'll do the same kind of spending for you.
You.
Seriously.
Can you buy a car for me?
I already have a car. You understand?
I mean, can you buy a car?
I can give you my car.
You never.
No, seriously.
Stop reading.
No, you see, do you see me smiling?
Never.
Do you see me smiling?
Please, kita punya orang ni credit ko case sedang case. Hey, abeg please.
Yalong wala nang koko like seeing someone and knowing someone is a two different thing. Ide you are ide me tante jela boti mallo.
Nta me long konta malabi.
Thank you very much.
Like just like lapa interest la between all.
So thank you, that's the problem. Ide kante jelo bare mallo. You understand? Tima, niye mo kan ifan ko yakanu. You are ready to take care of that person. So why it am recommending go mira then the ya coming cafe coming I want to have a relationship with you. Am I recommending go mira then minute ya.
You know that right now from Mantarang Punta. I'm not paying Mantara bill Mantarang Punta, you know that. Fengola ninga soto. Nga ajiso. Ninga soto. Ngamba maso. That's all. And wofam is not compulsory for nga ajiso. It's just when you kono lenga dia. Mbama ninga soto ka dia.
Tima. You see,
but I need someone who will help me puruna like that's what I want.
So yeah, the recommend.
But I don't think you can pay my bill, bro.
Good. This is your mindset. You mean be block on any talk about DJ?
No, you can't pay my bill. Trust me. It's not below Jola.
Tima nanga fengilim for ya. Nanga fengilim for. Ya de nyindunya kon. Momi yatan la memmin. Ha? Ndenga mi rol fisara moti mi yalan ko e malo nga minne be sidi bala kulu do maka. Seriously, the devil you know is better than the angel you don't know.
I can pay your bills, stuff like that. Seriously, I need money.
Tima, let me tell you one thing.
You're not excuse making. Never make an open.
Tima, let me tell you one thing.
Yeah.
Let me tell you one thing. Left a minute to offer you. Left a pungane ya nimbe case da ngafo yuko Tima. Left elale mbenya Sunday, memo Sunday, be play no Sunday. Tima monta offer you. Mo ga sunguro case wonyama.
You cannot pay my bills. I cannot do that. Why will I do that?
Okay, just wait for me.
Just look at me. Look at me.
I know you are beautiful. You deserve everything. Ha, musunyi mala muiti. No, amanjarala. Musunyi mala muiti. You deserve everything in this life. You understand? But what you are expecting for me to say, I'm not gonna say that. Because when I start saying that, iba fala come from wajere. You understand? Because ndelo jango ko Tima nde ko bambulo kono lafte lale, lafa pour que furula, lafta pour que. No. Do you know that this is the reason why you and Pablo could not end up properly?
Never.
No, seriously.
Never.
Ajibe?
Sniper.
No, let spade be a spade.
Sniper, hey, let me have you. Neither that I jank, you can't pick up popular to people come. Please. It's a rubbish to me. Stop it.
Ajibe?
Hey, be a killer for some last pick up Pablo to people come. Please.
Tima. Tonya ka dimbe.
Can I find you go Tonya ka dimbe? Pablo to people is enough. Abantal, Malefika Pablo to people.
Okay, Ajibe, yalan trengi kumandanja. It's fine. It's down a cool.
Kani mo bang katan haji. Be a killer for some last pick up Pablo to go fendi. Or no sense I'm Mantaraji.
No, Ajibe, what at an answer it's a more fine dollar because what you are looking for, you cannot have it. No, you cannot have it.
I have the quality, and anyone I want, I can have him.
Girl, no matter how beautiful you are, you still gonna slip behind. So, okay, my baby,